My name is John Erickson, reading for the role of Vincent. And that's it for today, everyone. Thank you. Recital is tomorrow night, 8 p.m. Do not be late. Hello, gorgeous. How is my lovely wife doing today? And what do we have here? Don't keep me waiting then. Show me. Who did this?
Right.
Yes, that's the one. Makes sense given his orientation. Does great work, but can't say I'd attribute all to him though. When you have a model so gorgeous, the picture takes itself. You really must thank him for me, bringing my old wife back to me.
I'm right here, Vincent.
You could be competing in Paris. You had so much potential.